splitter, which is going to give a much more aggressive look to the front end. So let me go through the parts, show you what we've got, and let's get crack-a-lacking. So here are the parts, these are the splitter, and as you can see it's in 3 bits. And we're going to put this together with bolts and screws and self-tap-in screws too. So this is what we're going to do, and this is in gloss black, so it matches the color of the car too. And it will give a much aggressive look, as I mentioned before, and get rid of this chrome bit, I believe, but I'm not sure about that yet. So let's get straight into it. If you're new to this channel, my name is Andrew, and on this channel I talk about things I do on my customers' cars or mates' cars like these, on my project car, which is a BMW 7 Series E38, and my own car, which is a 4 Series F33. So if you do like content like that, please do remember to like, subscribe and comment and be part of this Alpha Customs journey. And let's get crack-a-lacking. First step we want to do is undo the bonnet, or release the latch for the bonnet. And we've done that, and then we want to open it up. If it wants to open, that's it. And then we get access to all the screws that we want to start removing. So we'll start doing that, start removing the bumper, and then we'll get straight into installing the actual splitter. So there are a few T20 bolts that you want to remove on the top end, and they're all just across the actual bumper in the front bit of the actual engine bay. So you want to remove all those T20 bolts, and then the top bit of the bumper gets loose, as you can see, one there too. Once you remove those tabs, there are 2 screws over here. They're both 10mm bolts, and you want to just remove them from the top of the actual bumper, and then they're like this. So there's 2 of them which are right on the top of the bumper, and you want to pull the wheel arch towards you so that you get access to the second bolt which is behind this bumper. After you remove the 2 bolts from here, you can see the bumper gets loose. It's the same on the other side as well, and if you get closer, you'll see here that these are the 2 holes for the screws to actually go in. So these are where the screws will be located, and you want to get a 10mm ratchet underneath both of these and remove the actual bumper from there. And then once you get to the bottom of the bumper, you want to go back to your plastic trim removing tool, and there's loads of tabs like this which are across the bumper underneath, and we just want to release them so that we loosen the bumper from the bottom. There's a little secret bolt right in the corner, so if you look here, there should be a little silver bolt right at the edge. And there's a little silver bolt right at the edge. And I believe that is maybe an 8mm. Now it's time to remove the bumper. It should all come off. Here we go. Out it comes. And then once you remove the bumper, there are connectors behind. And all you want to do is start unclipping these connectors. In order to remove this connector, it's good to have a little pick tool, and you want to just lift this up and then pull out.
So explain what went wrong.
So it looks like the bolts are actually longer. So since they're longer, the bumper doesn't actually want to fit. So what we need to do is drill holes into the actual plastic bit which holds the bumper and the car together with the engine tray. So we need to drill holes into the engine tray and the wheel cover in order for everything to fit. So I let Mr. Han know that his car is done and the splitter is installed. And let's catch his reaction. Looks like they're already here. So let's catch his reaction when he comes. There he is. There's Mr. Han.
Check the bounce.
No.
Oh yeah, the car's still bouncy. Let me try and take off.
No, allow.
We need a test in it.
Yeah, we need a test.
No.
We need a test.
What do you think, Mr. Han?
Otherwise, how can we know if it's
Beautiful.
how can we know if it's alchemized properly?
No, you don't need to test it. The roads will test it. Yeah, you're allow it.
We won't know, man. We don't know if it's been alchemized properly.
So there it is. We've even had a little test. Here it is. This is the final verdict. And I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did like that video, please do remember.
Like, share and subscribe.
So till next time, peace.